Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video I've got a house vlog and they have started putting up the framing for my house. It's the 17th of October and I'm here and I want to go and see it, so let's go. This is my room, then this will be my wardrobe, and then my bathroom, which looks tiny. That will be the garage. Go down the hallway. That'll be a storage cupboard, and then we've got my beauty room. Oh look, even a window. And it's like the walk-in, like the built-in robe. This will be my beauty room, and back into the hallway. Get here. We've got a lounge room here. It's going to have a wall in the middle of it. Down the hallway a little bit more. Got to the door to the next bedroom. Basically the same as the other one. Then that's the laundry. And we've got the bathroom. So we've got like a linen cupboard here. Then like the vanity and toilet. And like a shower and bathroom situation. And then we come through here, so we've got my living area, dining, kitchen, and out the back is the alfresco, which is where they're currently storing some windows and bricks and things. And they've even got some windows over there on the neighbour's yard. But yeah. I finally have some sort of way to show, you know, that there are rooms, because as a slab it looks so much smaller, and now with this it just looks a little bit bigger. But yeah, I'm so excited, and they're starting to do the roof ones as well. Like, it's so exciting. You can really see how small my backyard is going to be. That's the edge of the alfresco, and then that's the fence there, so not a very big backyard, but you know, I don't have a green thumb, I have a sore thumb. So they put the windows in. Apparently all this rubble around here costs $1,000. Can't bloody believe that. There's even a window by the door. Door framing is going in for the door in the wall situation. The roof on this side of it has gone up as well. More windows. Woohoo! In this lounge room I've got the smaller window up the top because no one wants to look at a fence. Ooh, dirty. Bathroom, and the laundry sliding doors. Not going to be stepping in that. I've got my outside doors And another small window at the top. And my kitchen window's in. I think it's shutting because of the plastic. Sliding doors.
Ow! Dad's gonna have to come and spray these weeds because they're all coming from next door.
So as you can see, they're starting to do some of the roof stuff and the guttering, and some workers left their lunch here, so thanks for that, guys. Yeah, so far they're starting to put the roof stuff on before the roof goes on, and the laundry is also finally dry, so I can actually walk in it now. It's quite dirty and muddy. More roofing is going in. Not much more other than that though. So all the gutters are in. They will be painted a different colour, so no worries about that. And the wood in front of this is gone, so they're starting to stable it up. Getting all the edges nice. Yeah, we've got gutters. Isn't that exciting? So as you can see, they've finally put the roof on and they're connecting all of the water and stuff. So all those pipes for laundry and kitchen and over in the bathroom and stuff as well. And outside more bricks have been delivered. More water connections. Even got a dumpster out the front as well.